All right, so let's build these chair legs for the chair. According to our directions, we're looking for 4 chair legs. I got one drawn here. And they want them to be kind of tapered, meaning they go from a wide to a narrow base. They want specific measurements. They're looking for a 1/2 inch top, a 1/4 inch bottom, and a 3/4 inch tall leg. So let's build one of those things. 1/2 inch top, 3/4 inch tall, and a 1/4 inch base. All right, so I'm gonna move my screen over. Be patient. I gotta find that move tool. Nope, 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 nope. Hold on. There it is. Move. All right. I'm gonna build this chair leg over here. This one. So I'm gonna take and build a rectangle of a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. I'm gonna go to the corner I want to build from. This corner. Click it on the corner. And I'm going to drag it so it's in the blue surface. Is it blue? Yes. I'm going to type in 1/2, comma, 1/2, 1/2, enter. That's the 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch top. I'm going to draw a line on the outside of my chair in the direction of blue, the distance of 3/4. Enter. Okay, I'm going to keep my line going, and I'm going to draw the 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch bottom. So I'm moving the color of red. I'm going to go 1/4, enter. Moving the color of green, 1/4. Moving the color of red for 1/4. And the color of green for 1/4. So now I have, I did it again. Sorry, hold on. I'll find it. Orbit, orbit, orbit. Nope. 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 Yeah. So now I have the bottom of the chair leg, top of the chair leg. Now it's just dot to dot. So I'm going to draw a line from the back corner to this back corner. So back corner, back corner. Left edge corner, left edge corner, and then the front right corner to front right corner. The shape should shade in, and then the leg should be that 1/2 inch top, 1/4 inch bottom. Same steps for all 4.